Ever found yourself staring blankly at your phone, a financial question burning in your mind, wishing you could just talk to your bank? You're not alone. In today's fast-paced world, instant access and quick answers are no longer a luxury, they're an expectation. And when it comes to managing your money, that expectation is even higher. Think about it. You're trying to make a payment, but it's not going through. Or maybe you've spotted a suspicious transaction on your statement. Perhaps you simply have a question about a new feature Monzo has rolled out. In these moments, waiting for an email response or navigating complicated phone menus can feel like an eternity. You just want to connect with someone who can help, and you want to do it now. That's where online chat comes in. It's the digital equivalent of walking into a bank branch and speaking to a representative, but with the convenience of doing it from the comfort of your couch, your commute, or even while you're waiting in line for your morning coffee. It's fast, it's efficient, and for many, it's the preferred way to get support. Now, if you're a Monzo user, you're likely already familiar with their app-first approach. They've built a banking experience that lives on your smartphone, putting you in control of your finances with intuitive tools and transparent information. But what happens when you need a little extra help? How do you actually get in touch with a real person at Monzo without picking up the phone? That's exactly what we're diving into today. We're going to break down the simple steps you need to take to chat with Monzo online, directly through their app. No more searching for obscure contact forms or waiting on hold. We'll show you how to access their in-app chat feature and get the support you need, quickly and easily. So, grab your phone, open your Monzo app, and let's get started. The primary way to chat with Monzo online is through their dedicated in-app chat function. This is designed to be the most efficient and secure way to get in touch with their customer support team. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to do it. Step 1. Open the Monzo app. The first and most obvious step is to open the Monzo app on your smartphone. Make sure you're logged into your account. Step 2. Navigate to the Help section. Once you're in the app, look for the Help icon. This is usually located in the bottom navigation bar, often represented by a question mark or a speech bubble. Tap on this icon. Step 3. Explore the help articles, optional but recommended. Before directly initiating a chat, you'll likely be presented with a range of helpful articles and FAQs. Monzo has a comprehensive help section that can often answer common questions quickly without needing to speak to a representative. Take a moment to browse through the suggested topics or use the search bar at the top to see if your query has already been addressed. This can save you time and potentially resolve your issue instantly. Step 4. Initiate a new chat. If you can't find the answer you're looking for in the help articles, or if your issue requires direct assistance, you'll need to start a new chat. The exact wording might vary slightly depending on app updates, but look for options like Contact Us, Chat with Us, or a button that indicates starting a new conversation. This is often found at the bottom of the Help section or within a specific help article related to your issue. Step 5. Describe your issue. Once you've initiated a new chat, you'll usually be prompted to describe your issue in as much detail as possible. Be clear and concise in your message, providing all relevant information. For example, if you have a question about a specific transaction, include the date, amount, and the name of the merchant. The more information you provide up front, the quicker and more effectively the Monzo support team can assist you. Step 6. Sending your message. After typing your message, simply tap the send button, usually represented by a paper airplane icon or a similar symbol. Your message will be sent to the Monzo support team. Step 7. Waiting for a response. Once you've sent your message, you'll need to wait for a response from a Monzo support agent. The response time can vary depending on the volume of inquiries, but Monzo generally aims to respond as quickly as possible. You'll usually receive a notification when you receive a reply, so you don't need to constantly keep the chat window open. Step 8. Engaging in the chat. When a support agent responds, you can continue the conversation in the chat window, providing further information or answering any questions they may have. Be polite and patient, and the Monzo team will do their best to resolve your issue. Tips for effective chatting with Monzo. Be clear and concise. As mentioned earlier, providing all the necessary information in your initial message will help the support team understand your issue quickly. Avoid jargon or overly technical language if possible. Be specific. Instead of saying "my card isn't working," try "my Monzo debit card was declined when I tried to make an online purchase on date, at time, on the website name, for the amount. Provide relevant details. Include any transaction IDs, account numbers, if applicable, and secure to share within the chat, or screenshots that might help illustrate your issue. Be patient. While Monzo aims for quick response times, there might be periods of high demand. Please be patient and avoid sending multiple messages about the same issue, as this can slow down the overall response time. Be polite and respectful. Remember that you're interacting with a real person who is trying to help you. Maintaining a polite and respectful tone will ensure a smoother and more positive interaction. Check the help section first. Before initiating a chat, take a quick look through the help articles. You might find the answer you need there, saving you time and allowing the support team to focus on more complex issues. Keep the chat focused. Stick to the main issue you're contacting support about. If you have multiple unrelated questions, it's generally better to start separate chat conversations for each. Note the chat reference. If provided, sometimes Monzo might provide a reference number for your chat. Make a note of this in case you need to follow up later. What kind of issues can you resolve via chat? The Monzo in-app chat is a versatile tool for addressing a wide range of issues, including but not limited to transaction queries. If you have questions about a specific transaction, such as why it's pending, or if you don't recognize a payment. Card issues, reporting a lost or stolen card, requesting a replacement, or inquiring about card activation problems. Account access, if you're having trouble logging into your account or need to reset your password. Payment problems, issues with sending or receiving payments. Feature information, getting clarification on how specific Monzo features work. Reporting suspicious activity, if you suspect fraudulent activity on. What if you can't access the app? In the rare situation where you can't access the Monzo app, for example, if your phone is lost or broken, you might be wondering how to get in touch. While the primary focus is the in-app chat, Monzo does offer alternative ways to contact them in urgent situations. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.